How to start your own online store on Etsy, a step-by-step guide. Introduction. Welcome to our video on how to start your own online store on Etsy. Whether you're a creative entrepreneur or just someone who loves to make things, Etsy can be a great platform to sell your handmade and vintage items. In this video, we'll take you through a step-by-step guide on how to get started on Etsy and build a successful online store. We start with the basics. To get started on Etsy, you'll need to create an account. Head over to Etsy.com and click on the Sell on Etsy button. You'll be asked to enter your personal details, including your name, email address, and a password. Once you've created your account, it's time to set up your shop. Click on the Open Your Etsy Shop button and fill out the required information, including your shop name, description, and logo. Be sure to choose a name that is easy to remember and reflects your brand. Next, it's time to add your products to your shop. Click on the Add a Listing button and upload photos of your items. Make sure to take high-quality photos that show off your products in the best possible light. Write a detailed description of each item, including its size, materials, and any special features. Now that your shop is up and running, it's time to start marketing your products. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter are great ways to promote your Etsy shop. Share your listings, post behind-the-scenes photos of your creative process, and engage with your followers to build a loyal fan base. Collaborating with other Etsy sellers can be a great way to cross-promote your shops. Consider teaming up with another seller to offer a joint promotion or hosting a virtual pop-up shop together. Selling your items at local craft fairs and markets can also be a great way to get your products in front of a new audience. Offering discounts and promotions can be a great way to attract new customers to your shop. Consider offering a discount code for first-time buyers or running a limited-time sale on your best-selling items. And always make sure to provide excellent customer service to keep your customers coming back for more. So, how much does it cost to start an online store on Etsy? It costs 20 cents to list an item for sale on Etsy. Etsy also charges a 5% transaction fee and a payment processing fee of 3% plus 25 cents per transaction. Check with your local government to see if you need a business license to sell on Etsy. Finally, getting paid for your Etsy sales is easy as taught by EASZ. Etsy deposits your sales earnings into your designated bank account on a regular basis. Make sure to keep track of your sales and expenses for tax purposes. Conclusion. Starting your own online store on Etsy can be a rewarding and lucrative experience for creative entrepreneurs. By following these simple steps and marketing your shop effectively, you can build a successful business and connect with customers from around the world. So, what are you waiting for? Start your Etsy shop today and see where your creativity can take you.